Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone. Enable location and set accuracy to high so Telegram can find nearby devices. Once done, open Telegram and grant location and contacts permissions when prompted, because the feature needs both to show profiles and mutual contacts. Make sure you're on the current app version. Updates fix privacy and discovery bugs. Now navigate to contacts, right arrow find people nearby to begin. That first tap initiates the scanning and reveals users and groups within range. You'll see a live scan listing nearby users and groups. Wait a few seconds for results to populate because devices may take time to respond. If you want others to notice you, tap Share My Location for the session. This is temporary and stops when you exit. To control exposure, go to Settings, right arrow Privacy and Security, right arrow Phone Number, and Last Seen to limit visibility. This prevents random contacts from seeing sensitive info while still allowing discovery. Keep Bluetooth or Wi-Fi on to improve proximity. You finish by selecting a profile or group and tapping Message or Add. That creates a direct chat and stores the contact. If the list is empty, restart Telegram, check location and background app refresh permissions, and confirm you aren't in a restricted location mode. For persistent failures, toggle airplane mode briefly or reboot the phone. If that fails, reinstall Telegram to clear potential app corruption. One key troubleshooting tip: verify system location services are actually delivering coordinates to apps. Without that, Find People Nearby cannot work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.